How to disable auto join all meetings on Otter.ai. If you are wondering how, you may follow the step. Open up Otter.ai app, and then once you open it up, you need to log in and you should be finding this interface. Now from the given interface, tap on my account in the bottom right. And after tapping on it, select account settings from the menu. After selecting that, here you will be finding option called meeting settings. Right under language, tap on it. And after tapping on it, under this autopilot section, you'll be finding auto join meetings option. Go ahead and tap on that option. After that, if you want to turn off, you can just go ahead and select the option called manually meetings. I manually select. So go ahead and tap on it. And once you do that, what happens? It won't auto join you into specific meetings. You will be getting a pop-up like if you really want to join this meeting, something similar. So all you gotta do is simply select this option and that's it. So that's it for now. You may follow up this method. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.